Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine and you have gone through all the previous videos which I have sent you and the last topic, which was collective nouns. I hope you have understood it well and have gone through all the images which I have sent you, and you have checked the answers also which I gave you. So the students who have got all the answers correct, you can give a star to yourself, and even if few answers are not correct, then also you have attempted at least, so you can give a smiley to yourself. Okay, so today I thought let's do some counting. Okay, let's count few things and let's see if we can count few things, and few things are there if we can count or not. So let's start. Okay, pen. Can we count it? Yes, it means in number. Can we count it in numbers? Yes, it's one pen. And if there are two, then we'll say two pens. Okay, so pen can be counted in numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, if there is only one thing, then we can use a and an also for single units. Okay, singular things like an eraser. Okay, but if we have, so what we'll say? Two erasers. Okay. Okay. Can we count this? How many spoon is here? One spoon. And if we have two or three, then 3 spoons. Pencils? Yes, we can count it. One pencil. Okay. Can we count this? Oil? No? We can't count 1 oil, 2 oil, 3 oil. Yes, you are correct. We can't count it as 1 oil, 2 oil or 3 oil. So let's see, can we count this? Pulses? 1, 2, 3, 4 pulses. No? Yes, you are correct. We can't count this. Pulses. Okay. So many of you have understood what I am going to teach today. Yes, the topic for today is countable and uncountable nouns. See students, all the things have their names. Okay, they are nouns, and few things we can count them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, few things are there which can be converted into plurals. Okay, like if there is one eraser, then the plural of one eraser, erasers. Many erasers, 2 or more are plurals. Okay, but there are few things which we can't count as 3, 4, 5, like we have seen the example pulses, oils. So these are uncountable nouns. Okay, let's do it in detail, a little bit detail. Yes students, so the things, the nouns which we can count. Okay, it's given in the name itself. Countable means we are able to count them. So they are countable things or countable nouns. Okay, things that we can count using numbers. Example, 4 books. And uncountable, un means not. So not countable. We are not able to count them in numbers. Okay, things we can't count using numbers, so they are uncountable noun. We need measuring units or other measuring words like some container, some utensils for them. Example, 1 liter oil. So these are countable and uncountable nouns. So students, you have seen there are few things which are countable, like a pen. It can, if I have more pen, then pens. Okay, and there are few things which are not countable, like this water. Okay, can you count this water? Okay, 5 water, 6 water. No? Yes, we can't count this. So we use the container which is containing this liquid. Okay, that is a glass of water, to know how much water is present there. So half glass or 1 glass. Okay, can we count rice? No, we can't count rice as 5 rice, 6 rice. So what we use? Measuring unit like 2 kg rice or 1 kg rice, or the container containing it like a jar of rice. So rice is uncountable, but for you knowing its measurement, how much rice is there, either we will use measuring unit to count like 1 kg rice, 2 kg rice, or a jar of rice, the container containing it. Okay, so water is uncountable. But if you want to know how much water is there in a jug or in a glass, so you will use the container, a glass of water or a jug of water. Okay, can you count this curd inside this? No, can't count this curd. Okay, you can't count now 3 curd, 4 curd. So how we will know the quantity, how much quantity is there in this? We will say a bowl of curd. Okay, so curd is uncountable. And we can't form plural with uncountable nouns. Okay, like curd, we can't convert it in curds. Okay, rice, rices. No, plural of uncountable nouns can't be formed. Okay, can you count this? You can count 1 bottle Dettol or 5 bottle Dettols, but the antiseptic liquid filled inside this bottle, you can't count it. Okay, you can't count 5 antiseptic liquid or 7. So this liquid is uncountable. All liquids, they are uncountable. Okay, but the antiseptic liquid filled inside it is uncountable, but you can count this bottle which is containing this liquid as 1 bottle of Dettol or 5 bottle of Dettol antiseptic liquid. Okay, so in this way there are so many things like this oil. You can't count how much oil is there. Can you count 5, 7, 8? No, but you can use this container to refer how much quantity is present in this bottle, like half bottle oil or the ml written here. See, I have used half bottle, so I'll say half bottle of oil, but this I haven't used, so it's 1 bottle of mustard oil or 200 ml, the measuring unit. See, I'm not promoting any brand. It's just that these resources are there present at my house, so I'm using them in my teaching lessons as my teaching resources. And whatever oil or other things you have at your home, they are also very beneficial for us. Okay, so what is your homework for today? You'll go to every room of your house and you'll see the things, you'll observe them. Okay, these are books, we can count them, 1 book, 2 books, and we can make its plural. So these are countable nouns. Okay, oil, we can't count as 1, 2, 3 oil, so they are uncountable noun. Okay, different type of oil you must be having at your home, like mustard oil, soya bean oil. Okay, so they are uncountable. Okay, water, it's uncountable. Chalk I'm having at my home, so chalk is countable, because if I take 2, then I'll say chalks. Okay, plural can be made from it, so these are countable. Okay, so whatever things you have at your home, you will observe in every room and you will say, okay, this pen is countable. Curd is uncountable. Milk is uncountable. We use some container or some measuring unit to count them, like your milkman, he must be giving you 1 liter milk or half liter milk or more, so he uses measuring unit to give you milk. Okay, so in this way, just observe everything and tell, okay, this eraser is countable. We can't count this liquid, so liquid is uncountable. Understood? So this is all for today, and in the next class we will do it in more detail. Okay, countable and uncountable nouns we will do in more detail. Good day.